Hello dear friends, welcome back to Amoy Tea. Today we're gonna be showing one of the main tools of the Gong Fu Tea ceremony, one of the most classic and traditional, and which is not so often used in a more casual nowadays tea session, which is the Cha Dao Six Gentlemen, or the tea ceremony Six Gentlemen. In the traditional tea ceremony, it's still a very important tool to take into account. This is a tea caddy, teaspoon. This is the tea scoop. These tools are together. This is the tea strainer. This is the tea needle. And this is the tea tongue. Alright, the first gentleman is the tea caddy. In Chinese, it's called Cha Dao, and obviously its function is containing the rest of the gentleman of the tea ceremony. So the second gentleman is the teaspoon. In Chinese, Cha Ci. So the function of the teaspoon is mainly pick up the tea leaves from the tea leaf container and pour it, for example, in the tea scoop, or we can pour it also directly within the teapot or the gaiwan. The third gentleman, Cha Ci, is the tea scoop, which we need to understand these two pieces together with each other. And the way to use it, we use this one to pour our tea leaf in our teapot or tea gaiwan, the gaiwan. The fourth gentleman, Cha Lo, is a tea leaf strainer, which we place on the top of our teapot. So like that, we can avoid our tea leaves to spread around when we're pouring the tea leaves within the teapot. The fifth gentleman is the tea needle, or cha zhen. So we use the tea needle to clean the tea spout of our teapot, so we can have an interrupted water flow when pouring the tea. The sixth gentleman is the tea tongue, cha jia. So the tea tongue is used to serve our teacup. So in the traditional ceremony, it's of higher respect to serve the tea with the tea tongs, and that's the use of that.